Sorry, me again. I forgot to add that, so the appointment went well. However, I did, when I was showering today, I did faint in the shower. Now, I believe that that was mostly kind of a, like a combination of factors and variables. Like, for instance, it's hot out. I haven't done much in 6 days, and today I was running around Boston, and the water of the shower was very hot. So I went to my primary care after, and they kind of said like exactly what I just told you, like it was a combination. But I also, after looking into it, I read that you can get dizzy after post-op with showering and stuff, so just kind of keep that in mind. Maybe not have the temperature of the water so hot, and make sure you are well fed and sugared up, proteined up, so before you shower, just because I didn't get hurt or anything, but like it was still pretty not fun. Felt like total shit for a little bit, but obviously good now, everything's fine, vitals were good. So but just wanted to add that in there for today. But yeah, pretty much besides that little hiccup, everything has been on track, and I'm super excited, so we'll keep you posted.